So once we get everybody on board, we'll start a brief and we'll be up and away. So we are just about ready. I do have the air conditioning on full. Open up these vents, get that air blowing in. Should cool off here once we get going. Air conditioning's been working overtime today. They actually did remove that spot. Oh. All right, well, welcome aboard, everybody, and aloha. My name is Mark. I'm going to fly around the island of Kauai. This afternoon tour is going to be about 50 to 55 minutes. Everybody has access to the microphones. We got one up front here for you folks to share. There it is. One over on the right in the back, one on the left-hand side. I do leave the microphones on throughout the flight. That's so you can ask questions, so don't be shy. If you have questions, go ahead and give me a shout. All right, everything we say is recorded on this movie we're producing, and that is available after the flight. Now, did everybody get your safety brief? Everybody's ready to go? All right, good. Once again, Raina and Jody up front with Vonnie and Sean over there on the right in the back, and right behind me, Jose and Immaculata. Is that correct? All right, good. Let me get some calls and get us out of here. Once we're out of here, we can chat a little bit more, and I do turn off the microphones just for the takeoffs and landings. I'm going to do that at this time, and I'll turn them back on once we clear the busy airspace. So I'll put that there. That's my purse. All right, just about ready to go here. 530 switch and spool. I have 55% recording. Aloha Tower, Blue 25, gate 14 for the harbor departure with Quebec. Clear for takeoff, Blue 25. All right, everybody, we have been cleared for takeoff, and we are rolling.
See the old house, what style of us peeping up the back stairs into the cloakroom outside where I couldn't get your name right. Till we take a wrong turn, broken down in the dark of the country. Love, I seem to forget. What I don't do, well that's true, that's true, that's true, that's true. Enough for one stage where we all do the same like we're told to. Be the same as, cut back on the things you think you should have. Well, it's wrong, but nothing's wrong. You don't really see yourself.
All right, folks, we're going to climb up to about 2,000 feet. We'll cross over the break wall here and fly along these mountains you see in front of us. Now, this is the main harbor we're flying over right now, the main harbor for Kauai. It's called Nauwiliwili Harbor, and this is where they park the cruise ships when they come into town on the right-hand side of the helicopter. This is also where all our goods are brought in. That is the small boat harbor down there.
Well, I can see the old house.
Operated by the state of Hawaii.
Into the cloakroom outside where I couldn't get your name right. Till we take
This stream off our right side low is called the Niamalu, or Hululai stream. On the far side of the stream there's a pond over there. That's called the Alokoko Fish Pond. That is man-made. That was built there by the early Hawaiians to give them easy access to fish a long time ago. I've just turned on the microphone, so if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and feel free to use the microphones. A lot of movies filmed here on the island of Kauai, and I'll also point out the shoot locations as we go. But right out of the gate here, a couple of movies I'll mention just real quick that you may have heard of. A little movie called The Descendants with George Clooney. Now, there was a scene in that movie where George drives up with his movie family in a Jeep. They get out and look down into a beach property and lament about the good times they had. That scene was shot right there at that saddle, looking into a beach property over here on the left-hand side. It's called Kipukai. Now, the beach itself, Kipukai, was used as the shoot location in the movie 6 Days, 7 Nights with Anne Hesh and Harrison Ford. So all those scenes were there on the beach with the crash plane, shot right over there. And then some Jurassic Park scenes as well, shot over there. Rolling out now on a west heading, so we're westbound, cruising about 105 knots, 110. So that makes the left side of the helicopter the south shore. So over there on the south, that's where the Grand Hyatt is located. And then the Sheraton's a little bit further up. Poipu Beach, Shipwrecks, and Brennecke's, all located over there on the left. All these fields you see out the left side going pretty much from our left door going all the way up to Kekaha used to be cultivated in sugarcane, and that's also true for this on the right-hand side as well. This was sugarcane for the most part up until about 2008 when the demise of the sugar industry had resulted in the end of the Robinson Sugar Company, which was the last holdout. That was in 2008. And since then, no more commercially grown sugar on the island of Kauai. This large reservoir on the left-hand side, called the Waita Reservoir, was used to irrigate that sugar. Sugar is a very thirsty plant, needs a lot of water. And if you look out, you'll see these other reservoirs as well. They're all reservoirs, by the way. There are no naturally formed lakes on Kauai. Now, some of the towns, as we fly along, that's Old Koloa Town out the left door, just beyond the reservoir. And then we've got 3 communities off our front left. This first one's called Omeo, Levi, and then Kalaheo. I mention those because if you drive around the island, those are towns you drive through on the main highway here, Kaumoali'i Highway, which is also known as Highway 50. You can see it splits right there where the Norfolk, the pine are located. Those are those tall, skinny trees. And it becomes the tree tunnel. This spur right here that we're coming up over now is called the tree tunnel. And then the main road continuing on along past this grove of albizia trees, right over the top of a motocross track and into the mountains. Oops, sorry. As we get up into the mountains, we'll probably get bumped around just a little bit. Got 12 knots of right quartering tailwind, so just a little bit of turbulence, a little bit of chop.
Whatever you want, baby, just say it.
Left side of the helicopter again, just beyond Kalaheo. If you look out there, you can see the Kauai coffee plantation. That's about 2,300 acres of coffee, so the largest coffee plantation in the United States, located off our left side. There's all coffees going all the way up to Port Allen. Now, Port Allen is where you're going to want to charter a boat if you want to take a boat up the Napali side, right over there.